Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 264. If we start with this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 3, 6. If we look at this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 8. 8 covering these two boxes, so 5, 6, 5, 6. And that means that our 8 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 6. No help here, 1, 2, 6. And no help here, 1, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 6. 1 and 4 here. Means this is our 6, 1, 4. We can get rid of this 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. 8 covering these two boxes, 4 here, so 2, 6. 4 also here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 2. Don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this top row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. That 3 makes this our 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so this is our 6. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. And that 3 makes this our 9, 3. If I look at this column now, the only place the 1 can be is here, and the only place the 2 can be is here. And that 2 makes this our 6. And now with that 2, we can get rid of this 2 and this 2. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. But I did just notice this 6 makes this our 5, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 5, 2. And that 4 makes this our 8 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will be back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.